A key component of Agile software development is putting people first. And a user story puts end user at the center of the conversation. That's why user story is the most common way of representing development tasks in the world of Agile development. They provide a clear, concise description of desired feature from the perspective of end user. A typical user story follows a simple format. As a user role, I want to go so that benefit. This format helps to clearly define who the user is, what they want to achieve, and why they need it. Creating effective user stories involves more than just jotting down a few ideas. To ensure that your user stories are effective, they must meet the INVEST criteria. This acronym stands for independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable. So in this video, we'll dive into each of these criteria and provide practical examples to help you write high-quality user stories. So the first is independent. Independent user stories should be able to stand alone without relying heavily on other stories. This means that they should be self-contained and avoid creating dependencies that can slow down development. Example of dependent story: as a first-time visitor to the website, I want to create a new account so that I can save my shipping address and payment information for future purchases. This user story is independent because it stands alone as a self-counted unit, without relying on other features or functionalities. Creating a new account is a distinct action that can be completed independently of other user stories. Next is negotiable. Negotiable user stories are open to discussion and can be modified as needed. This flexibility allows for collaboration between stakeholders and helps ensure that final product meets their needs. Example: as a customer, I want to receive personalized product recommendation so that I can discover new products that I might like. This user story is negotiable because the specific criteria for personalization can be discussed and adjusted based on factors like user behavior, data availability, and business goals. The exact method of recommending products could be through email, push notifications, or directly on the product pages. Next is valuable. Valuable user stories deliver tangible benefits to the end user or the business. They should align with the project's overall goals and to contribute to the success of the product. Example: as a customer, I want to be able to track my order status in real time so that I can stay informed about the progress of my shipment. This user story is valuable because it directly addresses a common customer concern and provides tangible benefit. Tracking order status helps customers feel more confident in their purchases and reduce anxiety about delivery times. Next is estimable. Estimable user stories can be accurately estimated in terms of effort and time. This allows for effective planning and resource allocation. Example: as a customer, I want to be able to search for products by keyword so that I can quickly find the items I'm looking for. This user story is estimable because the development effort can be reasonably estimated based on factors like size, the product catalog, the complexity of the search algorithm, and the performance requirements. Next is small. Small user stories are broken down into manageable chunks that can be completed within a sprint. This helps to maintain a steady pace of development and reduces the risk of scope creep. Example: as a login user, I want to be able to add products to my cart so that I can purchase them later. This user story is considered small because it represents a discrete, manageable task. It can be completed within a short time frame. It doesn't involve complex iterations or dependencies on other features. The goal is simply to allow users to add items to their shopping cart, which is fundamental functionality of an e-commerce website. By breaking down larger features into smaller, more manageable user stories, development teams can improve their efficiency, reduce risk, increase their ability to deliver value to users. And the final one is testable. Testable user stories have clear acceptance criteria that define when the story is considered complete. This ensures that delivered feature meet user expectations. Example, as a user, I want to be able to log into my account using my email address and password so I can access my account information. Acceptance criteria: the user can successfully log in with valid email address and password. The user is redirected to their account dashboard upon successful login. The user's saved information such as shipping address and payment details is displayed correctly. So why it's testable? This user story is testable because it has clear acceptance criteria that defines what constitutes a successful login. These criteria can be used to create automated tests or manual test cases to verify that the feature meets the user requirements. By writing testable user stories, development teams can ensure that the delivered features are high quality and meet the user expectations. Let's conclude this video. By adhering the INVEST criteria, you can create user stories that are clear, concise, and valuable. And this will help to streamline your development process, improve collaboration among team members, and deliver a product that meets the needs of your end users. For more information on user stories, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.